Hi, there's a Looking Total Parts Pro. Today we have a 2014 Subaru Forester, stock number 6869. This ran from the 9th 2013 to the 7th 2018. It has an FB25 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a FB25 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front headlight, left front guard no dents, left front 17-inch factory automatic tyre, left hand door mirror, left rear door no dents, left rear 17-inch factory automatic tyre, right rear 17-inch factory automatic tyre, right rear door no dents, right front door 3 dents, right hand door mirror, right front guard, right front headlight, right front 17-inch factory automatic tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, centre console lid, automatic gear shifter, head AC controls, factory single stack stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,